Hello, my name is Lexie Mathis, and I've come up with an activity today to help with exponents. So the object of this game is to have a deck of cards, and all you need is one die. And this game helps children learn how to use exponents the proper way. So the rules for this game are: it is a multiplayer game, so however many kids want to play may. And what you do is you draw a card, and whatever card, this is a queen, and kings, queens, and aces and jacks represent tens. They are the number 10, and this is a whole number. And then what you do is you roll the dice, and whenever the dice lands on is the exponent number. So now I have a queen and a 4. And so the whole number is 10 and the exponent is 4. And you go around the circle of how many players there are. And each kid draws a card and rolls the die. And however many they have 1 minute to write the answer down. And if they do not finish in enough time, then they're out. Or once the round's over and every player's went, one person checks the answers with the calculator, and any person who did not get the answer correct is out and can no longer continue the game. And you continue playing until there's only one winner. So, starting off, I'll draw a deck. I'll draw a card out of the deck and roll the dice. I drew a 9. I'm going to roll the dice, and I rolled a 6. So therefore I'm going to write and it looks like this. I'm going to work it out, and for time's sake I'm just going to use a calculator, and the answer is going to be then you write the answer down like this. Okay, and you continue doing this, and so that's the first kid that went. Now draw another one. It's a 10. 10. And then roll the dice, and it lands on a 4. So this is your exponent number. Then you write 10 exponent 4, and you work it out, and this will be the answer to this will be 10,000. Okay, and you just keep going just like this among the whole group. I just drew a 2. Okay, and roll the dice, and I just rolled a 6. And so for an example of how a kid could work this out is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then there's the 6 2's right there because you rolled a 6 for the exponent. And then 2 times 2 is 4, so you bring the 4 down just like this. Okay, and then you'll multiply it by 2 again, times 2. You bring it down, and that equals 8, just like that. Bring another 2 down. 8 times 2 is 16. And you bring another 2 down. And then you bring one more 2 down to where it equal till you get your final answer, which is 64. Just like that. And that's how a child is expected to multiply this out. And then when you get your final answer and every player's went, You have one person check it with a calculator, and every person that gets it correctly may move on to the next round. And like I said before, any player that does not get the answer correct must sit out until the game starts over.